8.1. Today project employee payroll management system. Firstly, we open the NetBeans IDE. NetBeans IDE 8.1. I have a version installed this machine. Firstly, you need to install NetBeans and JDK Java Development Toolkit. The version is 1.7. And then you need to install for the database SQL Server management system. I have installed SQL Server 2008. Now connect with the SQL. It is connected now. NetBeans is ready to open. Now I'll create a project. First of all, you go to the start. It's loading. Something loading here. Wait a moment. Now SQL Server we expand the database. So I have lots of database I've created already. Lots of database in this SQL Server. So you need to create a new database. So let us start step by step how to create a new database. First of all, click on new query. For the edit window, you need to edit window. For the write a query and create a database, create table. And click here new query. Yes, it's open edited window. Let us start with the write a query. So I'm writing query step by step. First of all, we need to in the database location is the available database is the master database. The system database available is all availability is already available in SQL. Master database is the system database. You can check it in the database. Expand the database on the system database. This is tab. Expand this plus icon. There is a master first of master model MSDB and TempDB. There is 4 database for the system database. So now create database. You need to write a query. Create database and the database name. Like I want to create payroll, e-payroll. The database name is e-payroll. Employee payroll is my project name, so I am created database name e-payroll. Okay, you can select with the full query and click on execute. Either you can click on shift F5 in the shortcut key. The commands complete successfully. No, you can check with the same your database is created or not. So how to check? Let us see. You can write this query, use and your database name employee e-payroll. You can see here e-payroll is the created. Click here and now you are working with this database, so you need to select this data, because we are available database in the available in this section is the master database. So you can select this database. You can select as a manually in here. E-payroll, the first one. Either you can write this query, use an e-payroll, your database name, select and execute. Either you can shift F5 is the shortcut key. The command completed, the e-payroll is selected here. Now let us create a table. I have done database, created database, and I use query with this database, and now create a table. I have required table for this database for the insert a value and combine with the application. So the create table, you can write the query create table and the table name. Table name you can mention as per your project. Okay, payroll, that's it. Open bracket and close bracket. In open close bracket you can write the your variable name, what should be create a column in a table. So the variable name, so you know we have already heard about the how to write any variable. Firstly, in any programming you write the database data type and then the variable name, but in SQL you can write first the variable name and then write the data type. So how to write? Let's start. Suppose in this table I want to start EID is the employee ID, and the data type should be varchar, and data type and the variable length should be 20. I have assigned a primary key, so I will discuss what is primary key. It is and assign a not null. So this is a variable name EID, the short name of the you can write here the employee ID as well as, and this data type you can click here, you can see the data type varchar. This is data type. Character, in a character is the only single character you can mention. In a varchar, if you assign any data type, a varchar is integer, string and character included in a varchar data type. In a primary key is a unique key. Every employee have only one employee ID, and all employee ID is different all over. And the not null assign is the column is not a null value, not accept any null value. Next one, name, employee name, and data type should be varchar because the name is a string value. Data type varchar spelling. Character length 50. Not null should be assigned not null because EID ename, then mobile number, employee mobile number. Data type should be mobile number, integer, when you assign in integer data type, you do not assign the length of the value. Do not assign. You can assign as a not null, but do not assign the length of the value. In the when you assign is that you can show this error in SQL, showing error like this. If you assign 20, and right now is not showing error.